If you're looking for a fast, effective way to collect email subscribers through an interactive quiz, this quick 3-minute tutorial is exactly what you need. I've tested all the most popular platforms out there, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to build a lead-generating quiz. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend linked below, available only to viewers of my channel. Let's dive right in. First, decide what your quiz will help your visitors discover. The key here is alignment. Your quiz should tie directly to the product, service, or offer you eventually want to present. Think, what type of investor are you? Or which skincare routine fits your lifestyle? The goal is to give value and create curiosity. Next, let's talk structure. Keep it simple. 5 to 7 multiple choice questions is the sweet spot. Start with an easy, engaging first question to pull them in. Then, mix in 1 or 2 questions that segment your audience based on their goals or pain points. This is where you begin qualifying leads without them even realizing it. Now here's where we collect the email. Just before showing the results, insert a form asking for their name and email to reveal their personalized outcome. Keep your copy friendly and benefit-driven, something like enter your email to see your result and get a bonus guide tailored to your answers. You'll be amazed at the conversion rate when the quiz feels personal and helpful. You might be wondering, how do you build this quiz fast without needing tech skills? That's exactly why we're using this software. It's beginner-friendly, drag and drop, and comes with pre-built templates for different industries. I'll link the exclusive free trial in the description so you can follow along and build your quiz while watching. Once your quiz is live, integrate it with your email platform. This software supports native integrations with all the big names: MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, you name it. You can trigger automated welcome emails the moment someone submits their result. A pro tip: make your quiz results insightful and don't just stop there. Include a CTA right in the results screen. Offer a lead magnet, a free consultation, or a product recommendation based on their answers. This turns your quiz into a conversion engine, not just a data collection form. The key takeaway: quizzes aren't just fun. They're one of the most powerful ways to collect qualified email subscribers if you structure them right. You provide value, personalize the experience, and build trust instantly. Let's recap. Start with a curiosity-driven quiz idea aligned with your offer. Keep it short and valuable. Collect emails before showing results. Use software that makes this easy and integrates with your email system. And most importantly, include a CTA on the results screen to move them to the next step. If you want to follow along and build your quiz today, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through my channel, and it'll save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching. Now go turn that traffic into email subscribers.